just a brief update on the model. All the tracks and the frames together now is on undercoat. Be sprayed with undercoat. The boom and the dipper has now been matched together. Now this is like a blue. This is what they use for putting all the parts together. It's like a plastic sprag, which you cut to length to attractors, pins, pivot, bush pins, and whatever. So the cab has been sprayed in undercoat, which is at the running gears undercoat at the moment. As you can see. So as the rams are just to fit, but I'm adding a couple of additions. I'm going to put exhaust outlet there, exhaust pipe. I'm going to run 4 pipes, which are going to be sort of thin wire, actually thin plastic electrical wire to scale to act as ram pipes, you know, for the hydraulic pipes. So it's taking shape now. See this stuff here that was supplied. You can actually cut to length to make them like pins, which will fit in there. So that's all I got left now is rams to fit from the dipper ram, boom ram, 2 boom rams, and I'm going to modify the back there to take 4 pipes. That'll be sprayed then, same colour as this undercoat, and then I got some Hymac green to complete the model. The seat will be painted, and then it should look pretty good actually. But that's the latest on it now at the moment. So I only had like a hour on it yesterday, not much time. But today I'm just going to have a sort of try and finish it off really and get it undercoat if I can. So it's much easier than working on this in the Full Skies version anyway. So till next time, I'm going to give an update, but it's nearly there now. Till next time.